Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers don't already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon no beat, and as you can see on the screen, the topic is dancehall groupie, specifically with the males. And you know, Foota hype is always, I don't know what to say, number one on the list. Listen, man, I'm saying right now, Mr. Vegas is basically saying he wouldn't mind being P. Diddy, groupie, I mean freak. You see what I say? Now the position that Cassie is in because, him love man things and him love when man give him things. You see what I say? People is really questioning the validity of this gift because we see Quebec license plates. You see what I say? And we know that Foota hype is, stationed in Florida with Kamar McGregor. And as you can see, them are work together. But like I said, Mr. Vegas said, Foota wouldn't mind being P. Diddy groupie.
Yo, the girl don't tell us that she big stink and dirty and yata, but look for that big stinky dirty girl. Then the girl she says so. And she tell us about herself, What you think you can shame she? Eh? Look for that big stinky dirty girl. Look what she do. Boom, you play what she do and you promote what she do. You know much blood clip people on the earth when you promote it, them seat and a hunt her down. Enough people see that and a hunt her down and I say, yo, them. You never know, say you send her to a freak. You, Mr. Bro, you never know, say, you send her to a freak. You don't know, say, you have some freak when never know her. Because the platform, we should go do the reasoning pan. The freak, them never follow the platform. But because your one go viral and everybody see it. You don't know, say, you send her to about 5 freak. You know, say, you send her to about 16 P. Diddy. You know much man what they want up. Can I say it? No, leave it alone. What even? Leave it alone. You know much man what they want a P. Diddy girlfriend? Enough man what they want a P. Diddy girlfriend. The pee pan her. Yeah, man. Enough man what they want a P. Diddy girlfriend, for watch a man paint it, Enough man what they want a P. Diddy girlfriend for watch her name a girl, Yeah. I say you send her to about 5 freak, You send her to about 10 freak. Right now you make her status turn up. Her status turn up. You a promoter, bro. And things say you fight against whatever you say them toxic. You not fight against toxicity, bro. You basically a send her around, send her around. That's why you're bridging them. You think the foot type in a pastor? The foot type is a boy will love all him trees, some of them thing there. Yeah. Foot type not pastor. Right now foot type never been hear about her. Yeah, you make foot type know her. Yeah, foot type a pick up now Lamborghini. You never know. Huh? How the blood clean you? I'm saying I send her around, You gotta send her around to Jamaican P. Diddy, because you know so we have some Jamaican P. Diddy. Eh? Eh? What? But Foota said him did in our inbox. I didn't know this. I never even know this. That means him not a spirit of discernment and God never tell him say she toxic. At, you know much freak there Jamaica? And you did there promote this a girl. You know much freak there Jamaica. You give this a girl a good promo. Yeah, I don't understand everybody else there. I totally don't understand them man. I don't understand them man, bro. No, sir. I don't understand no. Right now the man them turn up the bumbuckly people. I turn up them asking fee, Wanna turn up them asking fee. Them asking fee turn up. Right now when you not share them and promote them and things say you fight against something. And billion brethren, a billion we in a world. We in a world, brethren, where people love every. People love toxic energy, brethren. Yeah. If you're old school and you basically do things the old school way and your traditional be, keep na your traditional lane, bro. From them things that come up on your timeline, that means you subscribe to it, brethren. That's how the internet stay. Use up damn idiot, brethren. You don't know, say once you take something and put it in your algorithm. When, like, if a man or a woman love watch porn, see? If a man or a woman love watch porn and you go click on a porn site, every bumbucklet and you go on the internet is a porn video come up, you know. If a man or a woman love Burger King, right now I say the word Burger King, by the time I go over Facebook, you know, a Burger King over there advertising, you know, or over Instagram or over TikTok, you know. Because the algorithm pick up me as a Burger King. And the more people me have on my platform, the whole I know, I get some notification or some ad from Burger King, brethren. So when you see somebody on the internet and them say them toxic and you put up that and put it in your algorithm, a beer of that start follow you, a beer of that now start come on your timeline. So every time a girl do something freaky, or a man do something freaky, you first it reach because that is what is in your algorithm. Someone who need to put, you know, someone deal with God business and Bible business. Get up and preach, and read Bible for your timeline be. Put Bible in your algorithm, put God in your algorithm, brethren. One of them understand say we in a social digital era. We in a digital era, brethren, where the algorithm run the thing. So once you take somebody content where you say toxic and put it in your timeline and people start click on it and share it and make it go viral with you attached to it, you and make toxicity go viral, brethren, and it attached to you. You are doing worse than the person who create the platform name toxic, whatever the fuck it name. The person them create something and them get a name. You see the bumbucklet name, what you trouble it for? You know, just low it, brethren. And even let's say you go even talk about it and you go burn your fire. Why you cut it and share it and splice it up and take it and every time? Look ya, watch ya, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. No, brethren, you're part of a movie. You're just the antagonist. You are literally a part of the movie, brethren. As a matter of fact, you're doing them a favor. And this is a real big man thing. You're giving them free promotion. And guess what? The next time that person goes on, or any person with the same type of content, more people are going to subscribe. Because do not believe that people are not subscribing to this type. All some people where things say, I live a righteous life and godly life. Them have them little freakiness in their mind, you know. And them have them little freaky fantasies there where them girls they come out and talk about. And some people have them freaky fantasies there. And them will live it through. You see me I say these characters. So when you take it and I promote it and I say you're straight, you know, you're not showing that not straight. That mean that not straight, bro. Not straight about that, bro. Put some God in our algorithm, man. In an algorithm. Put some God in our algorithm. Put some Jesus if you know why, if you don't love Jesus. Put some Bible in our algorithm, brethren. Put some Malcolm X and some speech from Marcus Garvey, them and them thing. If that do not deal it, but you know why we not put that down the algorithm? Because we know say that na bumbuckler go viral, you know. We know say uno look a viral after the people them we say toxic, you know. And that do not do on the sites, you know. Uno a look a viral after the people them wanna say toxic. I exploit toxicity, you know. Una exploit under psychs, brethren, under pretense una exploit toxic energy and toxic people. Because if we do not deal with the righteousness and not deal with all manner of things, we want to say we not deal with godly and all them something there. And heavenly righteousness. See, people we are deal with Rastafarianism and all them something there. Only that they get up more and play some Marcus Garvey now on the timeline, brethren. Or post some Marcus Garvey now on the timeline. If me go through the whole of una Bumbleclee timeline from when start, say we not do internet this and internet that and YouTube this and YouTube that. Me can't find one Marcus Garvey speech in our timeline. Me can't find one documentary about Steve Biko them, or me can't find no documentary about Patrice Lumumba them. Me can't find no documentary now on the sitting. But even the Black Panther them and certain man where did fight for black people come out of certain hardship and the atrocities where them used to bring against black people, where people fight against that. When Bob Marley birthday, you post a little one Bob Marley. When Marcus Garvey birthday, you post a little one thing about Marcus Garvey. But if you not deal with righteousness, brethren, you have to make an algorithm and pick up more things about righteousness. You know, algorithm pick up being nastiness, brethren, and it disseminate now all over the internet with uno attached to it, phone name attached to it, brethren. Phone likeness and image attached to it. So how are you different from the person who go up on a platform say and them label the platform toxic? You take the content from that platform, attach yourself to it and send it viral in other regions, in your space, in other people's space. People will rate you and share to what you think. Because me now see you now and say, you know, so them mute boom boom bam 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 more time they share some good things. Like Foota is a man that said enough things were righteous, you know. The problem is Foota hype is because I'm compromising and because I'm conflicting. See, because he's so contradicting. It's like you can't take him serious. See? Aye. It's like you can't take him serious. So that's the problem with Foota hype, you know. So if I share one Foota hype video and then I see Foota hype now I share some toxic thing, then blood cleat. That I go come in my algorithm and my youth now take up my phone. My youth take up my phone and I can't tell a man love grab my phone. Dad, let me see your phone. Start run through my phone. And go see a girl and say she this and a girl and say she that. So why you have that in a year timeline? For year, that means you're not even rate your youth them then. Because you put that in a year timeline. Your youth go grab your phone. I hear you to rate you. I hear you to know say your father this and your father that. And he comes to follow you. Boom, your youth to follow you. Next thing you see your youth. Your youth see that. And you are talk about it, and you are give commentary on it, and you are analyze it. You don't know say yo, that actually can be a negative thing towards your youth too, you know. Because remember say we live in a world where you must see other things and not get exposed to other things too, you know. Why you have that in your timeline? Why you have that in your algorithm? No man, that's not in your algorithm. What's in your algorithm? Education. What's in your algorithm? If you are dealing with righteousness, God business. And that will be more dominant in the algorithm. But as me say, we don't want that because we know say that nah go viral. Anybody a share about anything righteousness boy and them something there, them thing they nah go viral and we know say them thing they nah go viral. That's why we don't talk about real righteousness, you know. And we don't talk about education, we don't talk about the youth, them and them something there. We go astray and a fire beer and take up gun and they sit there and police and alive them. We don't talk about them thing there because them thing they nah go viral. We don't want to live off of the toxic people them. We don't want to live off of shaky people. We don't want to live off of the people them want to burn out. Because we don't want to go viral with shaky business and toxic business, brethren. And with that say, leave the toxic people if you're not a toxic energy, man. Vibrate on a different frequency. You see what I say? Yeah, man. See it? Don't bother fight and fuss. Yeah. I just a little reasoning.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. And if you want more, you know, stories, swing pan the King mix up. You see my say, and check out what I go on for not to go on with Vibes Cartel cancelling, you know, and these Trinidad people. You see me? Bless.